Hey guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. Got a brand new episode of Lifts and Levels here. This is a special one. We're actually down here at Rough Country headquarters in Tennessee, and they set up this brand new kit here. This is actually for the 19 Chevy and GMC 1500 trucks. Brand new truck, brand new lift kit, totally new suspension. First thing we're going to start off here is with the brand new massive knuckles. These things are very heavy. Ductile forged knuckle here, and one of the key features of this kit is there's no track width increase, which, as everyone knows, is one of the huge problems with Chevy trucks. Is when you put a knuckle lift on them, the front track width increases, but on this new system here that Rough Country developed, there is zero track width increase over factory, which is a good thing. Everyone's going to love that. And another nice thing is no more cutting the factory tie rods. They actually give you brand new Moog tie rods here, as you'll see, that'll go on the truck. So no more messing with the factory tie rods or modifying those in any way, which is a really nice thing. And then we got the rest of the components here that you'd expect. We got our sway bar drop brackets here, which are all different from the 14 and up trucks. Sway bar drop brackets, that is. And then the differential drop brackets, as you can see, are much different than they used to be. And that's because GM completely redesigned the front differential, so nothing's the same. And one of the nice things about it is there's no more trimming on that front differential anymore. So you just have to simply, the front diff gets lowered down, no trimming or cutting on that, which is really nice, makes installing a lot easier. The lift up front is going to be achieved by not only a top strut spacer, which is a traditional top strut spacer that you see here, but they also do have a lower strut spacer as well, which is are these little spacer pucks that you'll see here, which are going to go under the factory strut. And what's nice about that is if the struts ever need to be replaced, you can simply just source the factory strut. There's no need to get a special lifted one or anything like that. And then in the back here, we're going to round off Rough Country's N3 shocks are going to go on the back. And then, of course, for the back lift, we're going to have Rough Country's anti-wrap blocks here, which you've seen before. Nothing new there. New U-bolts. You got some brake line relocation brackets for the rear of the truck. All new hardware for the kit as well. And then something else that's a little nice is Rough Country's new cross members here, the lower control arm cross members, which are actually going to have a full 6-inch drop for the 6-inch kit, which is nice. And then something else that's a little different on these new Chevys is they actually got away from the alignment cam bolts on the upper control arm. They're now down on the lower control arm, which is something that actually Ford's been doing for a while. So just something new that I noticed on these trucks here. So this is pretty much the whole kit here laid out on the table. Kind of run out of room on this table here. Oh, forgot to mention the differential skid plate, which is included as well for when that front diff gets lowered down. This is pretty much all the components here for the new 6-inch kit. And then we got this truck up here on the lift with the kit installed, and we're going to go check that out and see what the components look like on the truck. All right, guys, so we're talking about the 6-inch Rough Country kit. This is the brand new kit here for the 19 GMC and Chevy 1500 trucks. We get installed on the truck here. Actually, we don't. Rough Country does. As you can see, obviously, this is the brand new knuckle that the kit comes with, which is a really nice piece. Once again, there is no track width increase over stock, so you don't have to worry about getting spacers for the rear or anything like that. You'll be good to go right out of the box. Another nice thing, as you can see, got the new tie rods here, so there's no cutting of your factory outer tie rods or anything like that. You just put these new replacement tie rods on. These are Moog tie rods on, so they're nice pieces here. Grease them up, and then you're good to go. You can see the lift's achieved by the top strut spacer here. They give you this little nameplate here. And then there's actually also a bottom spacer on the strut as well. I know that Rough Country is in the works of making a replacement strut, so it will be an option. But as of right now, this kit's so new that they're just running the strut spacers for now, which really there's not a problem doing that. And then we got our lower control and drop cross members here, as you can see. As I mentioned before, you'll see the cam plates here, which are going to be for the alignment for your camber angle. GM got away from the upper cam plates, which they've used forever. So this is a new thing for GM. It's actually similar to what the Fords do. And then we got the front differential drops. A nice thing about this new truck here is there's no cutting on the front diff or anything like that. So it's a nice simple diff drop. Just makes install that much easier. Another key component is going to be the sway bar drops, which you can see here, and they actually tie into the cross member up here so they're nice and rigid. It's going to drop the sway bar down to pretty much the factory-like angles. And really, let's see what else we got to show up here is the skid plate too, which ties into the two cross members here. That just help make everything nice and rigid and sturdy as it should be. And then, as I mentioned before, these cross members are full 6-inch drop, which is what you want. So that's a nice thing to see here on the truck. That's pretty much going to be it for up front on the truck. Just trying to think if there's anything else I missed, and I don't really think so. And then we can move around to the back, which is going to be some of the standard stuff that you would think you're going to see. You're going to get your typical, the Rough Country anti-wrap blocks are going to be in the back here with the new U-bolts. And then we got a couple brake line relocation brackets, as you can see up here as well. Put these nice up out of the way, nothing tight on the brake lines or anything like that. And then to top it off, you got the new Rough Country N3 shocks. And that pretty much rounds it off. That's going to be the brand new 2019 GMC and Chevrolet 1500 kit, 6-inch from Rough Country. Peace.